Choosing the right bank account is a core part of managing your money well. Westpac offers different accounts for different needs, and knowing how their everyday and savings options compare is key to smart banking. The Westpac Everyday account is built for your day-to-day spending. It is where your salary goes, and where you manage routine transactions like paying bills, buying groceries, and withdrawing cash. This is the account you generally link to a debit card, giving you instant access to your funds for maximum convenience. Its main purpose is accessibility and managing payments, not growing wealth. A Westpac savings account, on the other hand, is specifically for money you want to put aside for the future. The primary advantage of a savings account is that it earns interest. The bank offers a range of savings products designed to encourage you to grow your balance over time, often featuring a bonus interest rate if you meet certain monthly deposit or balance growth criteria. This makes it an ideal place for emergency funds or specific financial goals. Essentially, the everyday account is your financial launchpad, while the savings account is your growth engine. To get the best out of your banking, you often need both. Use the everyday account for spending and quick access, and move any surplus to a savings account to benefit from compounding interest. Separating these two functions helps you clearly budget and build your savings momentum without accidentally spending your future goal money. Each account serves a distinct and valuable role in your complete financial toolkit.